Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 stuck on attempting repairs boot repair loop solution. Force shutdown system 3 times to get automatic repair screen. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type sfc /scanno. Type bootrec /fixmbr. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Type chkdsk /f /x /r c::. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.